Hello guys, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how to pin a video on TikTok. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit the notification bell in order not to miss my upcoming tutorials. Without wasting much of time, let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is that you need to log in into your TikTok account, after which you click on the video in which you want to pin. After that, you click on on this three dot. But if pin is not yet available on your video, that is, I'm going to leave a link on the description box on how you can make pin to be available on your TikTok videos. So after that, you click on pin. So we have just on pinning the video on our profile. So we are still going to pin another video again. So I'm going to pin this one. After that, I do the same stuff, pin. So guys, that is the way you pin a video on your TikTok account. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.